wish to deny with all the authority at my command that privacy is not being invaded at all. On the contrary, the Supreme Court itself has held that Aadhaar in the present architecture completely safeguards the privacy. We should not forget that Aadhaar has led to saving of 90,000 crores of public money in the direct benefit transfer which used to be pocketed by individuals. Even world bodies like World Bank, like IMF have all hailed Aadhaar as a unique innovation of India. Secondly, Honorable Madam, with regard to what Mr. Prem Chandra has stated, I want to make it very clear. This parallel authentication is basically designed. Many Aadhaar owners said, we don't want to disclose our number itself. Let's give an individual number whereby authentication can be done. Therefore, responding to those concerns, we have come with an idea where an individual need not disclose his Aadhaar number. That is the alternative method. Regarding the data protection law, Madam, I want to convey to the House that data protection bill is ready. We shall be very soon coming with that bill into the House, and the entire Aadhaar architecture will be in tune with the entire data protection law. Therefore, with respect, all the three objections are misplaced. Aadhaar today is a robust success story of India. Let that be carried forward. As regards violating the Supreme Court judgment is concerned, we are not violating any Supreme Court judgment. But let me ask a question to ourselves. Saugat Babu, please don't weaken the authority of the Parliament. The Parliament has got the right to remove the basis on which judgments are given. Here, we are acting in consonance with the judgment. Therefore, Madam Speaker, all the three objections are misplaced. When the bill is taken up for consideration, I'll further address them.
That leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. Ayes have it. The leave is granted. Minister may now introduce the bill.
Madam, I introduce the bill.
House stands adjourned to meet again at 2 p.m.
So there you can see the Law Minister, Ravi Shankar Prasad, of course, introducing the amendment to the Aadhaar bill on the floor of the House. But due to the ruckus created, the House has in fact been adjourned for the moment. But he did mention some of the points that the government had as far as the amendments to the Aadhaar bill is concerned. He said that the government is not violating anything that the Supreme Court order has said, and in fact managed to introduce the bill on the floor of the House as well. Essentially, this of course being one of the topics which is leading to a heated debate on the floor of the House as well, with Ravi Shankar Prasad of course leading here, saying that the government has not in any way violated the Supreme Court order on Aadhaar. In fact, the proposed amendments are in keeping with the spirit of what the Supreme Court order had in fact said. And he also introduced Aadhaar, the proposed amendments to the Aadhaar bill on the floor of the House. He said that the new bill will be in tune with the Data Protection Act, and that the government is acting in consonance with the Supreme Court verdict, and that in no manner is the government in any way, through these amendments, invading individual privacy. The House, of course, has now been adjourned till 2 p.m. But the Law Minister, of course, managing to introduce the proposed amendments to the bill and saying that they want Aadhaar to be a success story, and that Aadhaar is a success story according to the government, and that they are complying with the Supreme Court order on Aadhaar while introducing the proposed amendments.